guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I made a video, and today we're talking about chapters and why they are important, but also I'm going to show you how you can add them to your videos. Now, you probably noticed a lot of videos are popping up with these time codes on their timeline, and they are essentially chapters. They are there to help the viewer navigate through the video, but also it just shows what content is on that video. There is a big advantage of adding chapters to your videos. If you do your research right and apply the correct keywords, then Google can show your video, and the way it works is Google will show a small clip or a portion of your video, and then it's up to the viewer to watch the rest of the video, hence giving you more views and more watch time. So let me show you how you can add them to your videos. First of all, let's head over to your home page on your channel and then click Manage Videos. And then you'll come into the editor part of the channel. So now you'll see your channel or your content. And now what you want to do is click on to details here, and then you'll be in the editor browser. And this is where you can edit your videos. You probably already know that. And normally I put it at the top above all of my links, but if you do have these Amazon links or whatever links you have, and obviously you earn money from them or you earn something from them, then I do understand why a lot of people don't put it at the top. So you can place the time codes lower down if you choose to, but I'm just going to leave it at the top for now, just to show you guys so it's easier for the viewer to find and access. So I'm going to type in time codes, and then you need a starting point, otherwise YouTube won't pick it up. So 00:00. So make sure you add this in before anything else. So I'm going to just label it intro, and then I already done most of it, but you can go over to the playback of your video and then find the starting point of each chapter, and I already done it, so I'm just gonna paste in my chapters. Now these are not researched keywords. I just done them for the sake of this video, but I would advise anybody that wants to add chapters is do your research and add proper keywords in. Now make sure you save the video, and let's head out and then over to my account and your channel, and you can see now the time codes or the chapters are on my video, and so the play bar is divided into sections, so you can see all the titles, and there you go. That's as simple as it gets. Easy peasy. Just make sure that you add a starting point, 00:00.